Hello, my name is Tristan Bailey from Holdingbay. We're a web development agency. We work in the UK, out of Brighton, and we work mainly with B2B companies, working through our ladder system of auditing, followed by landing page and process improvement, and then into custom-built apps and website branding to improve conversion and working with partner leads. We want to help businesses improve their brands and build better sales relationships. So we'll work on with you to align sales and marketing and do the best for your business. Please get in touch at holdingbay.co.uk or straight on Twitter or YouTube. You can search for us on there as Holdingbay. Take care, and we'll look forward to working with you.